teach everyone to make a simple, easy to use ultrasonic atomizing humidifier.
It ends up in misery, yeah. Socializing doesn't fit me, but I can get away so easy. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids. It's all overrated, no I never missed it. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids. It's all overrated, I just didn't read it. I'm a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner. I'm an outlaw in this world.
The circuitry is ready. Here's how to use it. Get some purified water. Just put the ultrasonic atomizer on the water surface. As long as you turn on the power supply, there will be fog. As long as there is constant water in it, the fog will continue to spread to every corner. If there is too much fog, it can be adjusted with a
I don't care about them saying I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids. It's all overrated.
And here's the thing, this white mist will be sucked into our lungs. So this water must be clean and pure water. Only then can see you next time.